Hi there. Today is 16th of May 2026. Time is about 6:35. I'm here at Heathrow. I thought I should make some video yesterday. Today I'm going to Slough. How quickly they updated. You know the girl over there, the blonde girl. Oh, yesterday. I thought it's a normal child, like under a teenage or something. I don't know that she was, because later on I saw her going on that side. It's like a rebooting of Matrix. Massage. Oh, because there was I was there to buy some cheap bargained lentil soup from Tesco. From India, imported India. Lovely dal though. इंशाल्लाह दैट्स गांधी जी का इंडिया बनेगा फिर तो मैं प्राउड इंडियन हूँ सही में फिर तो मैं प्राउड इंडियन हूँ ये वाला नहीं है क्या कह रहा था या स्टिक कैरेट एंड स्टिक या and no, honest to God, I meant just Africa, Asia, anywhere, just a child, because it's the solar city going everywhere. The solar tree, the currency, the train mechanics, aviation, medical, all that crap is there on my bus, and I'm gonna miss it anyway. No, that's not just love. Yeah. I was saying, yeah. So Tony Robinson's over there. Oh, over there. White police officer was saying. Sir Smar was saying. She was telling an Star Wars room. I used to work at Heathrow over there. Star Wars rooms, checking what's going on, X-rays and cameras behind the scene. Different position. Wherever they asked me to go there. Used to go there. American Airlines. But that's the police. Yeah, military grade pornographic access, only police allowed. Alhamdulillah. That's in England. England, not even a Wales. Alhamdulillah. Which written all over me. Alhamdulillah, mashallah, Allah Akbar. Muslim orient with Sadiq Khan. Veer mera koi chede. Ha, London mayor. Ask na Punjabi Prashad. मरियम नवाज अजय बंगा तनमन जी सकते जी ऋषि सर मैं हूँ बड़ा डोमिनिस्टर कौन पता नहीं केड़ा केड़ा चूतिया प्रसाद गुजरात प्रसाद ब्लू आइट तो गुजराती नरेंद्र मोदी मोहम्मदी नाउज़ बिल्लाह मिन ज़ालिक लास्ट इन ट्रांसलेशन टाटा police were looking upset Heathrow. Time to do the job now, fucking up British economy. Heathrow. Yeah. Tommy Robinson's over there. Yeah. Speaking English with them. Tommy Robinson's son's penis. If I am that little girl. Malala Yousafzai. Greta Thunberg. 17 years. Chapter 1:7. Children of Israelite, Bani Israel, Night Rider. Then when Muhammad traveled with Barack, that's in Arabic, not Barack Hussein Obama. There was a horse shape, like a not unicorn or something. I mean, that's the religion, isn't it? People just they made so much fun of Muhammad, the Makkans, brown Arabs. That what a science he has. At night he gone there to Jerusalem and came back. From Makkah to Jerusalem. That's the Night Rider. Chapter 1:7. Then he went ascended to heavens. Then on the way back he met different prophets, including Jesus. Oh, philosophy. Yeah, I mean, I will talk about 2015 summer. I used to work at Heathrow car park. Where is the showroom ना शर्म नहीं आती इसको शोरूम old man, young heart, child heart. Dick Cheney also replaced a girl accident, car accident when a white girl. He installed a new heart there. We will talk about a human organ transplant. Goi or a pig transplant. Monkey. Why not subhuman, Darwinian, Brahma, Jewish, man, Arab? That's in Quran even, animal like a human. But how you translate it? The British law. There is no Sharia here. Jihad, crusade. But Tommy and the police were looking angrily at me. Time to do the jobs. There is definitely law apply at me. I'm a broken heart, law, nothing more. Alhamdulillah, mental illness. Same apply to apply to terrorists. Bullshit. Who fucking the economy, making love. Hard to change. I love to see my daughter is in distress. She called me. Jannat Kosar is one. My first cousin's daughter, a white girl. I just randomly said, not political or something, child, honestly. I had no which car, which community, which racist, blonde, white. Just randomly a child, black, white, even a location, Africa, Asia. Because that solar city, alhamdulillah, going everywhere, all over the globe. Yeah. I should have gone to London first. I will tell you now how is possible, how to install in London. Oh, Gherkin over there, London city. Oh, Gherkin. Very obnoxious. Big penis looking. Brahmaniya bunda khane ki re. Ajay Banga. Is that my boss? Is 81. A lot of English. Let me have a look for it. 1 second. No man, eyesight is not that bad so far. I can see is I think it's a different number. I think it's a 222, not a XXX. It's turning on the right side from my left side. Which angle are you watching? Oh, sorry, my international audience. Someone paying attention. You never know, someone listen. They're watching it, they're listening it. But imagine if the real people from YouTube, actual human beings, normal, like who love to have a normal. Bloody terrorists, complacent with the terrorism. Counter-terrorism, counter-Russian, counter-oligarchs. When you nationalize banks, that's also known as Marvin Bank. Marconi is also known as counter-terrorism, counter socialism, counter-communism. Big cooperative companies, bad. Netanyahu, no man, the other one. Karl Marx idea. Counter when you nationalize, when you individual when it very intelligent, then a good job. Then the banks nationalize. When they go bankrupt, too big to fail. Just declare bankruptcy. And sorry, someone is around here. Someone was behind. Luckily, I find it. Young two white boys. They were right, man. Their immigration, you ruined it. That's in everywhere. And of course, for African Somalian young man, black girl from Somalia, same level, Kenya, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Alhamdulillah. Of course, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, man, Londonistan. Palestine, Mustafa banker, further Sunni. There is, I think Mahmoud Abbas is also like a Mirzai, who says Mahdi will come, Jesus will come. No, not Sunni, not people say not even a Muslim. Mahmoud Abbas, Mustafa is World Bank promoted Palestinian. After one Palestinian, Netanyahu uncle desperate. Man, come to Israel, that's a safe haven. Quite sponsoring anti-Semitic. I'm that good, Mark Carney. If you want a Palestinian A lot of Pakistani had Palestinian Jews. What are now, according to that, counter anti-Semitic bully hit. Netanyahu uncle quite desperate. Come to Israel. Otherwise, Israel existential threat. Yeah, Palestine also. Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, India. Island raid. Bad idea, isn't it? I'm sorry, my international audience 100% know. One would think what the crap I'm talking about, but there is a massacre going on. There is a massive genocide going on. And they tried to link with me. Like Mahdi will come, a big genocide, apocalypse. It was a movie, Apocalypse, I think, yeah, correct word. Self-fulfilling prophecy. There was no breaking the law. United Kingdom. I was gonna say. There was no bullet pushing someone in front of the bus, kicking it, punching, stepping. One white guy was with a dog. You alright? I said, thank you, sir. You alright too. Lot of whites active and blacks. Sport. I'm going. I think it was English Defence League. Before another legend was here. Far right one came. I was walking towards the Heathrow. That's English Defence League. Big rights. They came to Slough. Man should have come. They would have gone. He wouldn't see anyone. I just walk right next to her. Where is Islam taking over? They would have gone long ago. Be careful what you wish for. Problem is other side also. They don't want it now. African leaders, now Asian leaders. And they have their vested interests. I don't know what puppet are they are. Uncle Samoa, pick me also. AK sir steer karma. I'm also make me a puppet also. I think that's enough. Moving around. My daughter calls. She's in distress. She's desperate. She needs some money. Yeah, daughter, I'm coming. The youngest one. Not that daughter, white one, blonde. She hasn't got a vagina. My soul. Shoe soul. The king of Israelites king. Soul. English, no? That British police need to speak. They were staring at me. Passing by the van. Bully hit time to do the job. Many privileges. Interest-free mortgages, interest-free loans, plus lot of respect, pensions. Me a police officer or army officer, they already pretending where the terrorist comes from. They already, I can be anything provided I have a zero. No one. Yeah. Bye bye. I will make another one in Islam. Bye bye.